Alright, so today I'm going to show you how you can log in into the ClassMarker website. So the first thing you're going to do is enter the website into your browser. So you're going to go to a browser, if it's Safari, if you have iPhone, or Chrome, or Google search, just go to one of the browser, and where the search bar is, you type in classmarker.com or ClassMarker, the same website that's given on the small piece of paper, and you're going to press go or search. Okay, so when you've typed in classmarker.com and you click search, you should have the website pop up. So you're going to see at the top right corner, it says log in. So you're going to click log in, and it's going to pop up and ask you to put in a username and a password. Okay, so on the slip of paper that the kids would have collected, you have username and you also have password along with the website. So where you see username, you put username. So I'm going to use a pseudonym here, which is Mary Smith, to show you how we put in or log into the website. So the username is Mary Smith C. So you type it in small or common letters, and make sure it's in common letters and no capital. And then you type in the password that's already given to you on the piece of paper, and make sure that the password is correct. And when you're done, you click stay logged in and you click the login button. So as long as you do or type the correct thing, you should be able to get in. And lastly, here's a video showing you how you can log in. And when you're finally logged in, please ensure that you don't click on the ads that pops up, but go to the part that says tests, and you're gonna see some tests show up that has a start button. Those are the tests that you click on, nothing else.